Hello, good morning. So, today we are starting a new chapter, that is 10th. Festivals are fun. So, festivals are fun. Let's have some fun today. What is the first thought that comes in your mind when you hear about festivals? India is a land of unity in diversity, and we have a lot of festivals. Can anyone tell me a few examples of festivals that are celebrated in our India? Yes, like Onam, Eid, Vishu, Christmas, etc. Very good. And today in this session, we will be learning more about festivals. Some of the types of festivals are religious festivals and harvest festival, right? So, what is the purpose of harvest festival? A festival is an annual celebration that occurs around the time of the main harvest a given region. And what about religious festivals? Yes, it is pass. Yes, it is pass the message of love and express our gratitude to God. Yeah. So let me ask you, what is the importance of a festival? Why we celebrate festival? Do you know, children? A lot of festivals are there in our country. They are celebrated. Some of them are religious festivals, as I told you, and some of are harvest festivals. We will be learning these two types of festival in this chapter. Now, let me ask you, what is the first word that comes to your mind when you hear the word festivals? It is excitement, right? It is excitement, happiness, and a sense of pleasure. Isn't it, children? Am I right? Yeah. We can see in these festivals, we can see the family members and relatives during these festivals together. Or we visit our grandparents' house, or we visit our native place, and we used to enjoy, and we used to have fun in these festivals. So now, shall we start the chapter? First, before starting the chapter, I want to tell you, you can open your textbook, page number 195, our chapter festivals are fun. In that, you can see this diagram. This is a beautiful rangoli. So your first activity today is, you have to color this with different types of colors and make it very beautiful. Okay, after doing a different types of colors, it will be very beautiful. And please note, children, and be careful that it should not go outline. The colors should be in this design only. It should not go outside. So be careful by doing this. What is Pongal? In Pongal has one another name, which is known as Sankranti. Other name is Sankranti. In this Pongal festival, people used to clean their houses and decorate with rangoli. In Pongal time, they wear new clothes. They purchase new clothes and wear new clothes in this festival. And they make a sweet dish, jaggery. They make a sweet dish, jaggery. Okay. And next one is Onam. As I told you, Onam and Pongal both are harvest festival. And now Onam. The grand day of Onam is known as Tiruvanam. In this festival, people clean their houses and make rangoli with flower petals in their floor. So in this festival they used to decorate with rangoli with flower petals and make a lunch, a grand lunch, which is known as sadhya. In this festival, in Onam, they used to prepare only vegetarian lunch. So these are the two types of festival today I teach to you, told you. So all of you take your text, just go for reading now, and please listen this. While I am reading, you have to listen it carefully, so that when I'll ask you to read, you have to read it aloud. Okay? So all of the children, you can just open your text and see page number 195, and I'm going to read for you. Okay. First one. On some special days, we have big celebrations. Such days are known as festivals. On these days, we enjoy and have fun with family and friends. You can see the picture there, right? You can see the picture. See this picture. You can see the picture, the family all together. They are enjoying, having fun in festival. So, we wear new clothes and special kinds of food. Many festivals are celebrated in India. Let us read about some of them. Now we will going to read about that two festival which I have just told you, Pongal and Onam. So turn your page 196. Pongal. Pongal is a harvest festival. It is also known as Sankranti. Houses are cleaned and decorated with rangoli. People buy new clothes. Pongal, a special sweet dish made of rice and jaggery, is made on this festival. Next one, Onam. Onam. It is said that the King Mahabali visit the earth during this Onam festival. Right, the King Mahabali to visit this earth during this Onam festival. Houses are decorated with flower rangolis called Pookal. A grand lunch is prepared in all homes. Many places have snake boat race. This paragraph I will repeat once again. Onam. It is said that King Mahabali visits the earth during the Onam festival. Houses are decorated with flower rangolis called Pookal. A grand lunch is prepared in all homes. Many places have snake boat races. This chapter, this from 195 page to 196 till Onam paragraph. You have to read it thoroughly. Twice, thrice you have to read it so that you will be getting it easily. Okay. So and now I'll give you some words. You can just underline it or you can note it down. You have to note this in your notebook also. The first one is, you can see in 195 page, celebration. 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 Second one is festival. 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 Next, family. FAMILY. The fourth one is friend. FRIEND. Next, harvest. 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 Next, Sankranti. 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 Next, Rangoli. RANGOLI. I, Rangoli. Next, Pongal, Pongal, Pongal. The next one is Onam, Onam, Onam. Then Pookalam, Pookalam, Pookalam. Okay, I'll repeat once again all the 10 words: celebration, festival, family, friends, harvest, Sankranti, Rangoli, Pongal, Onam, Pookal. Okay, so this you have to by heart this new words also. So the main words I have given to you. So I hope you all enjoyed this class today, and take care. So be happy always. So thank you. Bye bye.